With CAA Insurance online services, you can easily make payments, change your payment information on file, or review your payment schedule. Here's how to do it. Log in to your CAA Insurance account at caainsuranccompany.ca/customer. If you don't have an account, you'll need to register first. Watch our video on how to register for more info. If a payment is due, you'll see a notification at the top of your screen informing you of the amount due and which policy it applies to. Click on Make Payment to open the payment screen. You can also click the Make Payment button under your active policies. On the payment screen, enter your credit card information, then click Proceed. If the payment is successful, you'll be redirected to a success screen. You can choose to print a receipt by selecting Print Receipt, or pay another outstanding premium by selecting Pay Another Bill. From your home screen, you can update a credit card on file by clicking Update Payment Details. On the left side of the screen, you can see your payment plan, and to the right of that, you'll see the partially censored number of your saved credit card. Below your payment information, you can also see any recent transactions and review your payment schedule. To update your saved credit card, click Update Payment Details in the Payment Information section. Then, enter the information as shown on your card and click Update. That's all there is to it. Now you can manage your payments in whatever way works for you. It's CAA Insurance your way. Register at caainsuranccompany.ca/customer.